ang 1986 had a profound effect on my life as I'm sure it had a profound effect on your life. Hinate mo ba kami? Ano yun? Hindi!
Teka, ito na nga. Ito ang magandang segue
I was
dyan.
explaining that to him. Kasi
Sige nga.
before, I was telling him na I was a year and a half, tapos sabi ko, kulang na lang isipin ko meron kayong mga horn sa ulo ko. Dahil, syempre, di ba yun ang kinalakihan ko? So, I was
Sige nga.
wondering kung was the situation the same for them?
Congressman, is there a question in your mind? Ano ang gusto mo itanong sa kanya?
Yung sinasabi mo, akalain nyo lang sa amin may sungay na
Oo.
and all that. How did that come about? We're
Hindi
always...
naman ikaw siguro personally, but syempre, di ba, ang nakatatak sa utak ko, the reason my dad was in jail was because of your dad. So, tapos, ay, gano'n ka diretso daw. Hindi, totoo naman ho talaga yun. Kasi nga, I was explaining to him, I was only 18 months old when martial law was declared. So, syempre, ang kinalakihan ko, dumadalaw kami sa Fort Bonifacio. And tinatanong ko, bakit ganito? Bakit ganyan? And syempre, bumabalik sa daddy mo. But then, I remember, of course, na your mom was very nice to my dad nung nagka-heart attack ang daddy ko at ang mommy mo nag-facilitate na makapunta kami sa Amerika. So, hindi naman ako blinded totally na lahat ng ginawa nyo evil. Hindi naman ganon.